Solana, FTT and 2 additional altcoins breaking out of market slumps, according to crypto analyst Scott Melker. Crypto strategist and trader Scott Melker says Solana, FTX token and 2 other crypto assets are breaking out of their downtrends. In a new video, Melker tells his 105,000 YouTube subscribers that smart contract platform Solana, SOL, is ready to revisit its all-time high after breaking out of its market slump. Solana broke that descending blue line, retested it as support, heading up, the target being up here at the all-time highs. Another coin that the trader says has ended its correction is FTT, the utility token of crypto derivatives exchange FTX. According to Melker, FTT looks bullish after its strong bounce from its 7-day low at $48. This is FTX token. You have this descending blue line, clear resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on that resistance. Breaking right now. The confirmation comes with a daily close above this line, $55. According to Melker's chart, the initial target for FTT is $63. If bulls break that level, the next target is FTT's all-time high at $85, marking a potential move of over 51% from its current value of $56. Next up is Ethereum scaling solution Polygon, Matic, which Melker says is following in the footsteps of both FTT and Sol. Matic, breaking that blue line right now. Same idea. Melker's chart shows that Matic is gearing up for a rally to its next resistance at $1.70, representing gains of nearly 30% from its price of $1.31. The last coin on the trader's radar is smart contract platform Phantom, FTM. According to Melker, FTM also broke out of its diagonal resistance and is now primed for a recovery. FTM, this was an entry, $1.25. Breakout through resistance. Retested as support. Heading up. According to the crypto trader's chart, FTM is poised to surge to his target at $1.94. FTM is currently exchanging hands at $1.40, which gives the altcoin a 30% upside to Melker's target.